Hi everyone, today we're showcasing the Jerler 2 yards crystal gold rhinestone trim chain, perfect for DIY and bridal projects. This trim features imported Middle Eastern crystal rhinestones that are transparent, firm, and beautifully cut for extra sparkle. Each rhinestone is carefully handset with firm claw inlay, ensuring they stay securely in place without falling off. The pearls are full, round, and glossy, adding a luxurious touch to any decoration. The chain is soft and flexible, making it easy to cut to your desired length and attach with glue or sewing. Handmade craftsmanship means each piece shines brighter than machine-made alternatives. It's an ideal choice to elevate your wedding embellishments or creative DIY crafts with elegance and charm. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.